I'm Mitchell.
What's up?
Good, man.
This is Nico. At 16 years old, he's been able to grow multiple successful YouTube channels from his bedroom, all of which bring in roughly $400,000 a month.
$400,000 a month from YouTube channels. So cool.
Give us a rundown what you're doing right now.
Okay, so we're about to play in a Skeppy event right here. Skeppy's right there. And my plan is to be the first to die.
What's the prize though?
$10,000 prize.
YouTube systems to where he's firing out videos daily, all while in school.
So like you got a lot of people on your team right now. You got your assistant, content manager. Like how many employees or like people on your team do you have?
Right now, like 65, 70.
Holy.
But for this, he has got 65 employees. So when does this start work?
So like what was like the usual routine, like balancing school, then like pretty much multi-million-dollar business here?
Wake up, like sometimes 5 o'clock and then like...
Wakes up at 5 a.m. What time do you wake up? So what about consistency? How long has he been doing this?
Like 40 days that I was late.
How long have you wanted to be a YouTuber?
7 years. When I started,
He's been doing this. Okay, here's my advice. If you want to do good stuff to you, to your family and your friends and to other people, don't waste your time playing games. You can make much more money using a simpler system like high-ticket affiliate marketing. Our beginner students, just like you, are earning high-ticket affiliate commissions using a 99% done-for-you system.